In today's video, I'm going to show you a small demo of a product that I'm building on, and it's completely built on Figma Make. So on the left hand side, you can see like the prompts that I've added. So it's basically a very small, uh, I don't even call it as a product. It's a very small, I would call it as a test up where where I try to create a Polaroid camera, and the basic functionality of this is you can just post your photo and it will give you a Polaroid image. So I'll just try, like, I've added a lot of prompts into this, and because it's the first time, so I'm adding a lot of prompts in terms of adding some more, improving the UX writing or improving the UX of this. I'll always try to make it more familiarity, like what actually a Polaroid camera is, and that's how it comes up. So there are a lot of small things also, like in terms of UX writing or like in terms of this, you like literally going to capture something. So the starting part of this is you have to choose your photo, and it says ready to preserve your memory. So I'll just click on this, choose your photo, and you can choose any of your photo. I'll just choose mine. I'll just choose this one. And it also gives you a small, I think you hear this noise, that is a small, it's a kind of capture. Like when you capture something, just give you a small sound. So that also I'm trying to add it in this particular, once you uploaded an image. And for this you can add a caption also. So I'm writing EBC done, um, planning something new, planning new things or something like that. I'll just add a happy image also. Now there are two things, like again this is a small use case that I am initially missing. So I'm just thinking, like, once I upload photo, if I want to re-upload something, so what I can do. So there are options, like either I can just I'm not talking about UI now, it's more about like you can just click on this change photo and you can re-upload something new. Now there's a small change if you notice. So initially it's red, now it's green. It's like you are in the process, and once you click on this bring it to life, it will give you a small picture of yours, right? And if you ever use Polaroid, so it's a kind of like, once you capture something, it will take some time to be like printed on the paper, like maybe like 8 to 10 seconds. So I also try to add that functionality into this also. So once I click on this, it will come down, and it will take, I think, 2 to 3 seconds to just make it more real, right? I'm just clicking on it, and it will coming out, and it will take like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, close to like 4 to 5 seconds before making it opacity as 1. And once you click on the save memory, I'll just rename it as EBC uh, done 1, and just click on save, and now it's save on your download part. I'll just search for this EBC done 1, and it's there, right? Now you can post it on any of your social platform. It may be like Instagram, Facebook. Possibilities are endless. Or you can just simply post it on your Instagram also. So I'll just click on this EBC done 01, and I just open it, and you can see like that's a Polaroid image. Now again, there is a lot of possibilities that I can add. Like I can just make it different colors. Like I can just give basically the color wheel, like, of 4 to 5 different colors that you can choose, and accordingly, like, you can modify the text of this, the color of these text, or the color of this background, right? But the main thing is I really like this feature because Figma make it a possibility. Like I can just publish it and everyone can use it, and that's very good. Like I'm not even think something that cool, right? And the coding part is also good. I really like the format that they are using, and the coding part is also very clean. So if you want to add something new, you can simply modify it, right? If you go to the styles part, then this is basically the global styles, and they simply say it like this Figma file maker file include components from Shadson. So that is also very good that they are very transparent what they are using into this. And if you go to the preview, and you can also, like, of course these are other functionality, like how it's going to be in mobile, how it's going to be in console. Like this console is different thing, but yeah, these are like different things that you can do with a Figma Make. Now I'm going to publish it. I will also attach the link below, so you can also play with this and just take out the photo and publish it on your social medias. So yeah, that's about this video, and in future of course I'm going to experiment this a lot, and yeah, going to add a lot of things, going to make a lot of things from Figma Make. So yeah, thanks a lot for this.